Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Walmart shares, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving with Walmart shares, first, open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Research different brokerages to find one that fits your needs. Visit the brokerage's website and complete the registration process. Make sure to provide accurate personal information for your account setup. Once your account is set up, log into the online platform. Look for the search bar within the platform. Type Walmart or its ticker symbol WMT into the search bar to find the stock. Review Walmart's stock performance and relevant financial information. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Check the current market price for Walmart shares to determine your budget. Navigate to the trading section of the platform. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy. Select the type of order, market or limit order. If you choose a limit order, set your desired purchase price. Double-check your order details to ensure everything is correct. Submit your order by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for confirmation that your order was executed. Once you own Walmart shares, monitor their performance regularly. Consider re-evaluating your investment strategy as needed. Stay informed about Walmart's financial news and market trends. Enjoy the benefits of investing in Walmart shares as they grow over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.